Hello. Hey folks. So today we will see how to delete your Facebook account permanently. So I'm going to show that on my Android phone today. Okay, so once you are in the Facebook app, go to click on the three menu. That is basically it will take you to the menu, Humble menu. Click on that. So navigate to settings and privacy. Then click on settings. Then you can see the accounts center. So basically where you can manage all the accounts related stuff. So click here. You can see personal details under account settings. Click on personal details. You can see all of the account related stuff here. So go to account ownership and control at the bottom. Click on that. You can see two options here. So yeah, of course, you want to deactivate or delete your account, right? Click on here, click on your profile name. You might have multiple profile, you might have Facebook pages as well, right? So select that, click on delete in case of if you want to delete, okay, create deactivate in case you want to just deactivate temporarily. So I'm creating delete. I'm just selecting delete. Click on continue and it will ask you for your server. So here I can just do select something like this. Okay, so enter your password. Okay, now it will ask for the confirmation. Just confirm. Okay, so one thing you should remember that it will be there for next 30 days in case you want to uh, change your mind.